A top-tier welding helmet is essential for safety, comfort, and precision. The best welding helmets offer auto-darkening lenses with fast reaction times, protecting your eyes from harmful flashes. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best welding helmets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tools and home improvement topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Optrel Helix. Pure Air CLT is a premium slide-up welding and grinding helmet engineered for maximum visibility, protection, and comfort in demanding work environments. Featuring crystal lens technology, it delivers an ultra-clear true color view, making welding details sharper and more precise. The ShadeTronic system automatically adjusts protection levels from shades 4 to 12, ensuring seamless transitions between tasks. For added control, manual adjustments allow settings between shades 7 and 12 with fine calibration. Designed for durability, it withstands temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and offers maximum UV/IR protection at all times. The panoramic viewing area is up to 6.3 times larger than standard welding helmets, enhancing spatial awareness. Equipped with 5 advanced sensors and an ultra-fast reaction time of 0.090 milliseconds, the helmet adapts instantly to light changes. The rechargeable 𝗲𝗲𝗶𝗴𝗄 battery supports 300 to 500 charging cycles, with convenient USB charging. The lightweight 1.41 pounds build includes the ISO-fit headgear, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. The Jackson Safety Premium Welding Helmet is designed for serious welders who demand lightweight comfort and superior optical clarity. Weighing just 1.24 pounds, this ultra-light hood minimizes neck strain while maintaining an ergonomic balance for extended wear. Its versatility makes it ideal for welding, grinding, cutting, and carbon arc gouging. Equipped with a best-in-class auto-darkening filter, it offers a true 1:1:1:1 optical clarity rating and a wide 9.3 square inch viewing area, ensuring a crisp and unobstructed view of the weld puddle. The variable shade range of 4/5 to 13 allows precise adjustments for different applications, while digital controls provide easy customization. Designed for safety and efficiency, the helmet features 4 arc sensors with a lightning-fast reaction speed of 1/25 of 1,000 seconds, reducing eye strain and enhancing protection. The extended front shields the neck from sparks and debris. Its patented 370 speed dial ratcheting headgear ensures a secure, comfortable fit with an easy grip, easy turn adjuster knob. The ANDELI welding helmet delivers top-tier protection and precision with its expansive 180-degree viewing screen. A generous 3.94 by 3.74-inch primary lens paired with a 3.72 by 1.76-inch side view offers exceptional visibility, allowing welders to maintain full awareness of their work area. 2 integrated LEDs reaching up to 400 lumens enhance visibility in dim environments, ensuring accuracy in every weld. Designed with true color technology, this helmet provides 1112 optical clarity for a realistic, high-contrast view, reducing eye strain and improving weld quality. With UV/IR protection up to shade DIN16, it shields the eyes from hazardous radiation while maintaining a natural color spectrum. The interference suppression system ensures precision by preventing false triggers from sunlight or workshop lighting, focusing solely on welding arcs. Its auto-darkening feature, powered by 4 advanced sensors, reacts at an ultra-fast 1/25,000th second speed, instantly adjusting to safeguard against harmful flashes. The 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet 902NC delivers superior protection and clarity with a lightweight, slim-profile design for all-day comfort. Built for demanding welding tasks, this helmet is ideal for MMAW, TIG, MIG, tack, plasma, and arc welding, plus grinding. The auto-darkening filter with 3M Speedglas natural color technology enhances visibility by providing a brighter, more realistic view with improved contrast. A 2.1-inch by 4.2-inch viewing area in shades 8 to 12, along with a light shade of 3, ensure optimal performance in various environments. With permanent UV/IR protection at shade 12 and 2 arc sensors, the 902 NC responds quickly to changes in brightness. A robust 2,000-hour battery life reduces downtime, while ANSI Z87.1-2010, ANSI Z89.1, and CSA Z94.3 approvals ensure compliance with safety standards. Designed for efficiency, the lightweight frame reduces strain and the sleek shape allows easy maneuvering in tight spaces. This helmet does not include side windows and is intended for industrial and occupational use. 3M prioritizes safety, and proper use per OSHA and ANSI regulations is essential. Jackson Safety TRANSLIGHT 555+ delivers premium eye protection with advanced auto-darkening technology, ensuring welders experience maximum clarity and comfort. Featuring a lightning-fast 1/25th of a thousandth second switching speed, this helmet reduces eye strain while enhancing visibility. The high-performance ADF filter achieves an impressive 1111 optical clarity rating, providing distortion-free views with precise shade control in 0.2 increments or full shade adjustments. A spacious 12.47 square-inch viewing area maximizes peripheral vision, giving welders a wider field of sight for greater accuracy and efficiency. Designed for all-day use, the TRANSLIGHT 555+ is lightweight and ergonomically balanced to minimize fatigue, allowing welders to work longer without discomfort. The durable shell meets ANSI Z87.1, CAN, CSA Z94.3, and CE certification standards, ensuring top-tier safety and reliability in demanding welding environments. Whether working in steel fabrication, construction, or industrial settings, this helmet sets the standard for protection, durability, and comfort. With nearly a century of innovation, Jackson Safety continues to lead the industry, providing trusted protective gear for professionals worldwide. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.